Hey guys, good morning. All targets hit on Bitcoin for the short term at least. If you want to join the Patreon, before I start the video, that's doing so, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/, but I'm not a trader. I told you guys that I was not short, but I was bearish. Still am bearish to 79K. But short term, I did let all of my Patreon members that I was long, well, not long, but bullish to 97,555. So immediately you hit that level and then rejected. As of right now, I am looking for some sort I'm looking for either a break to the upside or a break on the low side. On the low side, I'm actually looking for a break of 94,356, or I'm looking for a break of 100,064. So either way, if we actually break that 100,064 level, then unfortunately, I do think I'm wrong and we're not going to 79K. And then we're going to keep pushing. My next target would be 105,310. But if you do come down and you break this 94,356 level, then I am still looking for that 79K level. And I think the same thing goes for you for XRP. And again, the reason you push so much on XRP and Bitcoin is I think because Trump came out with some news and he said like, oh, hey, I'm going to make... what is it called? I'm gonna make the U.S. like the capital of the crypto capital of the world. So I do think if he did not say that, I do think we would be dropping a lot lower, a lot faster. But again, same thing as of right now. You did hit my target on XRP of like a 2.4, right, on the short term. It was right. Yeah. That's my target. So all my targets hit exactly for both Bitcoin and XRP. My next target on XRP, right? Actually, if you do close like this, then I would be bullish, to XRP to like $3, like $3, right? I would be bullish on XRP to like a $3.02, right? Because again, you are closing a bull candle above this bear open. So after looking at XRP this weekly run, right? I'm not gonna lie to you. This Sunday, if we do close like this in 2 days, I would consider myself wrong and not us dropping to 1.3-ish, which is my target. And I do think we'll keep pushing to like a $3 XRP, right? And again, I really don't think I was wrong. I think it's just because Trump pumped this with his news of him saying that, he thinks specific cryptos are going to be, unregulated or I think like tax-free or something. And he said he wants America to be the #1 country for crypto again. And I do think that that's the reason why we're actually pumping, not, I do think my TA was right. Let's just get that out of the way, right? But again, if we do close like this, I am looking for a $3 XRP, right? Because again, you are closing a bullish weak candle above that bear open. That's definitely very, 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 very bullish for me, right? Specifically. And again, you did hit my daily target already of 2.4. So again, you could technically reject here. If you do reject, right? If you do reject somewhere, then I would say you 100% reject from this 2.4 level. So I would definitely be open to opening shorts here on XRP, something like this, right? I definitely short like now. Run my shorts from up here, right? Have my stops right there. And then run this short all the way down to mid channel, right? And that's a 3-to-1 RR. And I do the same thing for Bitcoin, right? But again, if you close like this, right? My big number here is this open of 2.2. If you close like this on Sunday above 2.2, I think you're going to $3, right? Really, it's that simple. Same thing with Bitcoin on the weekly, right? You are closing you on this Sunday, right? If you close above this 95,011 level, it does look bullish, right? And I will say it does look bullish to this 105,310 target that I set, right? And it all comes down to Sunday, right? If you close on the weekly, I'll admit that I'm wrong, and then I think we're more than likely going to go up. I do not think we drop if we close like this, right? But again, everything's kind of volatile right now, so we'll see. If we do reject from somewhere, I 100% think that we reject from here and we do not keep pushing up, right? So I would definitely be open to shorting both XRP and Bitcoin exactly at these levels, right? Unless they break to the upside. So again, I do something like this where I have my stops up here. Again, run this down all the way to mid channel. So that would be my short right now. And I would 100% short right now. right? If I was looking for shorts. As of right now, I don't know where we're going exactly. I need specific levels to break. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.